there, Jeffy Fro. How's it going? Wait, what's the matter with you? I'm hungry. I'm tired of always having stuff like pizza and chicken and burgers. Ah, geez, I know that feeling. But what if I had a solution for you? Like what? Well, do you remember those ancient, super old, extremely far in the past $5 footlongs that Subway used to have? Don't remind me of that. I can't afford Subway with my appetite and all the issues COVID's had with the economy. Well, guess what, buddy? 'Cause you're in luck. You can now get 2 footlongs for only $10 at Subway all summer long. All summer long? All summer long. You get $5 footlongs when you buy at least 2 subs. If you wanted to have more, if that just wasn't enough for you, or you wanted some for your friends, you can get another 2 on top of that for only $20 total, making those 4 footlongs $5 each. That's yummy in my tummy. Think that'll satisfy your appetite, Jeffy Fro? Mm-hmm. Mm-mm-mm.